What is great love story?
Once in a quaint village, there lived a young woman named Maya, known for her kindness and warmth. Maya's heart was captivated by a humble artist named Ravi. Their love blossomed like a delicate flower, filling the air with joy. As the seasons changed, so did their lives. Ravi fell ill, and his art suffered. In their struggle, Maya decided to sell her most prized possession, a family heirloom, to fund Ravi's treatment. The sacrifice, however, strained their relationship. As Ravi recovered, Maya's eyes sparkled with the hope of rekindling their love. Yet, the absence of the heirloom cast a shadow. One day, a mysterious old man visited them, returning the heirloom. He explained, "Your selfless love has mended more than just your relationship. It mended a broken heart." Maya and Ravi learned that love wasn't about possessions but about sacrifice and understanding. The village whispered tales of their enduring love, teaching everyone that true love lies in giving, forgiving, and embracing the imperfections that make each heart unique.
Yes, I understand, thank you.